Hello friends, welcome back to my channel ABC's Tech World. In this video, I am going to share about the unboxing of 9th generation iPad 10.2 inch Wi-Fi 256 GB space gray. So let's start. So it's going to be a very simple unboxing. So not much parts inside. So we have the iPad and then an adapter and a data cable. So it's a simple unboxing. And this model I was not able to get from the Apple store, so none of the showrooms had it, so I had to make an online order and got it delivered to my home. Setting up of this device is very simple. So if you already have a Apple product, it's going to be the same procedure. You can just do one step after other. You can skip most of the parts and you can set them later on a need basis. You can set up the touch ID, create your own passcode. So if you already have an Apple ID, you can log in using that. If you don't have, you can register for a new Apple ID in the Apple website and you can use it to log in here. If you want to add any payment method, you can add it here, or you can set it up later as well. That's it. So it's all set now. So this is how it looks. It's very smooth and fast. So I added a 256 more apps. So with the iPad, as I mentioned before, we have the adapter as well as the data cable. So the same adapter you can use for most of the Apple products. Even you can use to charge your iPhones. And you can use your iPhone charger as well to charge the iPad. That's it. It's actually very simple, not much of unboxing here. I have also ordered a iPad cover, so if you want you can buy that as well. And if kids are going to mainly use the iPad, then you may have to buy a screen protector as well. So I ordered one as well, so I am showing it here. So that's all, friends. So it's all set, so you can start using the iPad and enjoy its features. It looks pretty good and very nice design. Okay friends, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.